So today, we have our friendly neighborhood crackhead.
Fontaine? How was it, Fontaine?
It was actually pretty warm. It was kind of like Bali.
But yeah, so Fontaine just hopped in the ocean real quick for us.
Here in Kuta, Bali, it's a little cold here in the morning, so we all put our...
Maybe like 88
feels
degrees.
cold for Bali. Like
Yeah.
Bali's normally doesn't like make my hands numb in like 5 seconds.
But it's okay. That's how it be.
Coming live from the Alvaroni Desert, we have Isaac Beck in the next Survival's final series. Will he make it in desert with nothing but underwear and a t-shirt? Tune in next time. Woo! Oh. Holy shit.
You know what? I think I've seen those shots where it's like
Like with a car?
yeah.
Click, click, let me be your